Oh wait, you're that person. You're that person who's looking for Python tutorials on YouTube all day, and at the end of the day, still feels confused and stuck. Hello, I'm Mohammad. I am a Python tutor on Preply. I help students to actually understand Python, not only memorize things. In my classes, we learn step by step with real-life problems and practices that I will give you so you can practice in your free times. These classes are perfect for beginners just like you, and it will make you confident in Python. And I will guarantee you that you will be able to code at the end of your first lesson. So click on the link, come to the Preply, book a trial lesson with me, and let's just start our amazing journey. We will design a structured lesson plans for you, and also we will set our goals so in the shortest time we get the best results.